We're back. My exams are finished with a Raspberry Pi 5. So today we're just going to unbox it, have a first look at it. I've got the new active cooler here and the new case. Unfortunately the power supply hasn't arrived. But yeah, let's get into it. So let's have a read of what's on the box. So this is the 8GB of RAM version. So it features this, if we read the back, it features a 64-bit quad-core Cortex A76 processor, 8GB of LPDDR4X SD-RAM, 2 micro HDMI ports, 2 USB 3.0 ports, 2 USB 2.0 ports, 2 4-lane connectors for camera or display peripherals, Gigabit Ethernet port, Antenna 2.11b/g/n/AC wireless, Bluetooth 5.0, it's PoE capable, it's got PCIe expansion now, with a separate hat of course, and you'll need a 5V 5A USB-C power supply. I've got a Mac power supply, so that's fine. Right, let's go ahead and unbox it. Right, here goes. Make sure I've got all properly on camera. Oh, there we go. It's all unsealed. Oh dear, that didn't go particularly well, did it? Oh dear. Right. There we are. So that is the Pi itself. No documentation on top of it. Okay. So there we go. Better not break it first time I touch it. Oh, there we are. Safety and user guide underneath it. We don't need that. So this is the new board. So it's got RP1, which is the new South Bridge on it. It's got a power button now, faster SD card slot. You can add a RTC battery to it. It's got a UART port, it's got a fan port. It doesn't have a headphone jack though, which is one thing that the Raspberry Pi 4 has. So let's just get this Raspberry Pi 4 out of its case and I can show you the differences on the board. So for a start, the processor's moved down a bit on the board and the RAM is now on top to make way for the RP1 chip. So the camera and display ports are now also mini versions, just like on the Raspberry Pi Zero. And we've got PCIe over here. Basically everything's changed. Yeah. And the Ethernet ports swap sides too. So if I move this away, we can open up the new case. I'm just interested to see whether the case and the active cooler can fit together. Right, here we go. Hello? There we go. Right. So this case has been really well designed for cooling. Well, that looks weird not having a headphone jack there. So this has got a fan on it. Oh, it comes with a heatsink. Right. So there's a heatsink you can put on it. Where's that? And there's the feet for the case as well. So let's go ahead and put the feet on the case. There's also this little resistor here that indicates how much RAM you've got on the board, which is could be quite useful if you've got many Raspberry Pis, like myself. Although I've only got I've only got one Raspberry Pi 5 at the moment. These feet are much better than the old ones, a lot softer. That heatsink's tiny compared to the official one for the Raspberry Pi 4. Just look at the difference in those two heatsinks. Right. So now I'm going to unbox the Active Cooler. And we'll see if I can use it with the case. Okay, so let's just add the Active Cooler to it. It's got pre-applied thermal pads. Now the real question is, does it fit into the case? Looks like it does. Now I might just need to remove this fan. From it. If it does come off. There we go. Right. So the answer to my question is the Active Cooler does work on it. So there we go. It's a Raspberry Pi. So now let's get this set up so that I can turn on for the first time. And it now at least has a power button to turn on with. So now it's the moment of truth, so let's turn it on. 3, 2, 1. Power button. Hey, there we go. Hello? Display. Have we got a display? Hey. Let's go to sleep. Let's try that again. I'm thinking that this monitor is dead. I'm just gonna try a different port here. See if it works. Hey, there we go. Right, let's turn it off. Right, let's power it up, see how long it takes to boot. No boot screen. Holy moly. seriously that quick? Oh, my mouse doesn't turn on. Right. Hey, there we go. We are in New Zealand, actually. Might be good for me to just connect some networking to this. Close this case. This case has been designed all for cooling. So, yeah. Right, let's go New Zealand. Let's just go test, because I am just testing on this. Got Wi-Fi, I've got networking, I've just connected it. Yes! Firefox, of course. Why would I use anything else? I'm gonna skip the updates. Right, let's restart. See how long it takes. Wow. It's really quick. That power supply is actually capable of supplying 5 amps. It's a 30 watt one. It should be synchronized. Yeah. Right, let's try again. Right, so yeah, it's working. Time to run some benchmarks. That's for another video. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Remember to like, share this video with your friends, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.